How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch back to personal account from professional or business account on Instagram. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Instagram app. Now tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Now once you're on your profile, tap on menu in the top right corner. Now here tap on settings. Here tap on account, below ads and above help. Now here scroll down. Here you will see the switch account type option, tap on it. Now here if you want to switch to personal account you can tap here, or if you want to switch to creator account you can tap here. So we want to switch to personal account, so we will tap here and tap on switch to personal account and wait for a few seconds and your account will be switched to personal account. So this is how you can easily switch back to personal account on Instagram. Thanks for watching.